Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Fyall Estate in Clarendon. This incomplete 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom house has rooms of generous proportions. Downstairs has a master suite consisting of a whopping 22.5 times 12.5 feet bedroom, plus ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. There are 2 other bedrooms, a bathroom, a large open concept living, dining, kitchen, a rumpus room, gym, a double garage, as well as front and back porches. Upstairs is about 50% complete, as is designed to be 2 separate 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartments. The house sits on a little over 8,000 square feet of land. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $181,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.